think yawning means you're just tired? Think again, here's the real reason why we yawn. When you yawn, it's not just because you're sleepy or bored. Your brain might be overheating. Yawning helps cool it down, like a fan for your brain. But there's more. Ever noticed how yawns spread like wildfire in a group? That's because yawning is contagious. It's a quirky way our brains show empathy and build social bonds. So next time you yawn watching TV or in class, remember, you're not lazy, your brain just needs a cool down. Did you yawn watching this? Like and follow for more fascinating facts.